Inventory software is a powerful tool that helps businesses manage their inventory efficiently. It allows businesses to keep track of their inventory levels, sales, and order fulfillment in real time. There are many different inventory software options available, both paid and free. In this answer, I'll introduce some of the most popular free inventory software options available.
Please like, subscribe and follow for more. Here are some free inventory software options. Zoho Inventory. Zoho Inventory is a cloud-based inventory management system that offers basic inventory features such as stock control, order management, and reporting. The free version allows for up to 20 online orders per month. Odoo Inventory. Odoo Inventory is an open-source inventory management system that offers features such as warehouse management, batch and serial number tracking, and shipping management. The free version offers basic inventory features and supports up to 2 users. Inflow Inventory. Inflow Inventory is a desktop-based inventory management system that offers features such as stock tracking, order management, and reporting. The free version supports up to 100 products and allows for 1 user. ABC Inventory. ABC Inventory is a desktop-based inventory management system that offers features such as stock control, order management, and reporting. The free version supports an unlimited number of products and allows for 1 user. PartKeeper. PartKeeper is an open-source inventory management system that is designed specifically for managing electronic components. The free version offers basic inventory features and supports an unlimited number of users. Stockpile. Stockpile is a cloud-based inventory management system that offers features such as stock control, order management, and reporting. The free version supports up to 100 products and allows for 1 user. Sortly. Sortly is a mobile-based inventory management system that offers features such as barcode scanning, stock control, and reporting. The free version supports up to 100 items and allows for 1 user. 1. Zoho Inventory Tutorial. 1. Create an account. Go to the Zoho Inventory website and click on the Sign Up button. 1. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. 2. Add your products. After creating your account, add your products by clicking on the Items tab in the main menu. 2. Click on the New Item button and fill out the required information, such as the product name, description, price, and quantity. 3. Create a warehouse. If you have multiple locations where you store your inventory, create a warehouse for each location. 3. Click on the Warehouses tab in the main menu and click on the New Warehouse button to add a new location. 4. Create a sales order. To create a sales order, click on the Sales Orders tab in the main menu and click on the New Sales Order button. 4. Fill out the required information, such as the customer name, product, and quantity. 4. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click on the Save button. 5. Track your inventory. Zoho Inventory allows you to track your inventory in real time. 5. To view your inventory levels, click on the Items tab in the main menu and click on the Inventory sub-tab. 5. You can see how much inventory you have on hand, how much has been sold, and how much you need to reorder. 6. Generate reports. Zoho Inventory offers a variety of reports to help you manage your inventory more effectively. 6. To generate a report, click on the Reports tab in the main menu and select the type of report you want to generate. That's it. With Zoho Inventory, you can manage your inventory, orders, and sales more efficiently and effectively. 1. Odoo Inventory Tutorial. 1. Access the Inventory app. First, log into your Odoo account and go to the Inventory app. 1. If you don't have it, you can install it from the Odoo App Store. 2. Create a new product. Click on Products from the left-hand menu, and then click Create to add a new product to your inventory. 2. You can fill in details like the product name, description, price, and quantity. 3. Add a location. Next, click on Locations from the left-hand menu and create a new location. 3. This can be a warehouse, a store, or any other place where you store inventory. 4. Move products to a location. To move a product to a location, click on the Inventory Adjustments menu item, and then click Create. Select the product you want to move and the location you want to move it to. 4. Then enter the quantity you're moving and save the adjustment. 5. Receive products. To receive products into your inventory, click on Receipts from the left-hand menu and create a new receipt. 5. Select the supplier and the product you're receiving, and enter the quantity and price. 6. Fulfill orders. To fulfill orders, click on Delivery Orders from the left-hand menu and create a new delivery order. 6. Select the customer and the product you're delivering, and enter the quantity. 7. Monitor inventory levels. To keep track of your inventory levels, go to the inventory dashboard and check the stock moves and inventory valuation sections. 7. These will show you how much inventory you have on hand and how much it's worth. That's a brief overview of how to use Odoo Inventory. There are many more features and options available, so be sure to explore the app and see what works best for your business needs. 1. Inflow Inventory Tutorial. 1. Step 1. Getting started. To get started with Inflow Inventory, you will need to download and install the software on your computer. 1. Once installed, you can launch the program and create a new account. 1. You will be prompted to enter your company information, such as your company name, address, and contact details. 2. Step 2. Adding products. The next step is to add your products to the inventory. 2. To do this, click on the Products tab and then click Add Product. 2. You can then enter the product details, including the name, description, cost, price, and quantity. 2. You can also assign the product to a category and add an image. 3. Step 3. Creating purchase orders. When you need to restock your inventory, you can create a purchase order in Inflow Inventory. 3. To do this, click on the Purchase Orders tab and then click New Purchase Order. 3. You can then select the supplier, add the products you need to order, and enter the quantity and cost. 3. Once you have completed the purchase order, you can send it to your supplier. 4. Step 4. Selling products. When you make a sale, you can create a sales order in Inflow Inventory. 4. To do this, click on the Sales Orders tab and then click New Sales Order. 4. You can then select the customer, add the products they want to purchase, and enter the quantity and price. 4. Once you have completed the sales order, you can generate an invoice and send it to the customer. 5. Step 5. Tracking inventory. Inflow Inventory allows you to track your inventory levels in real time. 5. You can view your current inventory levels, track product movements, and receive notifications when you need to restock. 6. Step 6. Generating reports. Inflow Inventory provides a range of reports that can help you analyze your sales, inventory levels, and profitability. 6. You can generate reports on sales, purchases, inventory levels, and more. That's it for the Inflow Inventory tutorial. With these basic steps, you can start managing your inventory and improving your business operations. Thanks for watching. Four. ABC Inventory Tutorial. ABC Inventory is a method of inventory management that categorizes inventory items into 3 groups based on their value and usage. The goal is to prioritize inventory management efforts and resources on the items that are most important and have the highest impact on the business. 1. The 3 groups are 2. Items. These are the most important and valuable items in the inventory. 2. They make up a small percentage of the total inventory but have the highest value in terms of sales or contribution margin. 2. These items require close monitoring and control as they have the most significant impact on the business. 3. B items. These are moderate value items that make up a larger percentage of the inventory than A items. 3. They have lower sales volume and contribution margin than A items but are still important to the business. 4. C items. These are low value items that make up the bulk of the inventory but have a lower contribution margin and sales volume than A and B items. 4. They are generally less critical to the business and require less attention than A and B items. 5. To implement ABC Inventory, you will need to 6. Determine the criteria for categorizing items. This could be based on sales volume, contribution margin, or any other relevant factor. 7. Assign each item to a category. This involves analyzing each item's sales volume or contribution margin to determine whether it is an A, B, or C item. 8. Set inventory management policies for each category. This includes setting safety stock levels, reorder points, and other inventory management policies based on the importance of the item. 9. Monitor and review inventory performance regularly. Regular monitoring and review of inventory performance will help ensure that the inventory management policies are working effectively and that adjustments are made as necessary. Overall, ABC Inventory is a useful tool for prioritizing inventory management efforts and resources. By categorizing inventory items based on their value and usage, businesses can focus their attention on the items that have the most significant impact on their bottom line. 5. Part Keeper Tutorial. Welcome to the Part Keeper tutorial. Part Keeper is an open source web application that allows you to keep track of electronic components and other parts. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps of setting up and using Part Keeper. 1. Step 1. Download and install Part Keeper. The first step is to download and install Part Keeper on your server. 1. You can download the latest version of Part Keeper from the official website, https://partkeeper.org/download/. 1. Once you have downloaded the zip file, extract it to your desired location on your server. 2. Step 2. Configure Part Keeper. To configure Part Keeper, you need to create a configuration file. 2. You can find an example configuration file named config.php.dist in the root directory of the Part Keeper installation. PHP and edit it with your database and server settings. 3. Step 3. Create a database. Part Keeper requires a database to store its data. 3. You can use any database that is supported by Doctrine ORM, such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, or SQLite. 3. Create a new database for Part Keeper and make sure to grant the necessary permissions to the database user you specified in the configuration file. 4. Step 4. Install the database schema. To install the database schema, run the following command in the root directory of the Part Keeper installation. 5. Python copy code. 6. PHP bin/console doctrine schema create. 7. This command will create the necessary tables in your database. 8. Step 5. Set up a web server. To access Part Keeper, you need to set up a web server. 8. You can use Apache or Nginx. 8. Create a virtual host for Part Keeper and point it to the public/directory in the Part Keeper installation. 9. Step 6. Access Part Keeper. Open your web browser and go to the URL of your Part Keeper installation. 9. You should see the Part Keeper login screen. 9. The default username is admin and the default password is admin. 10. Step 7. Use Part Keeper. Now that you have set up Part Keeper, you can start using it to manage your electronic components and other parts. 10. You can add new parts, search for parts, and track your inventory. 10. Part Keeper also allows you to import and export data in various formats, such as CSV, XML, and JSON. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the Part Keeper tutorial. 6. Stockpile tutorial. Sure, I can provide you with a tutorial on stockpiling. Stockpiling refers to the process of accumulating and storing goods or resources in large quantities for future use. Here are some steps you can follow to create a stockpile. 1. Identify the items you want to stockpile. The first step is to identify the items you want to stockpile. 1. This could be anything from food and water to medical supplies, household items, or even ammunition. 2. Determine the amount you need. Once you have identified the items, you need to determine how much of each item you need to stockpile. 2. This will depend on factors such as the number of people in your household, the duration of the emergency or crisis, and the shelf life of the items. 3. Choose a storage location. The next step is to choose a storage location for your stockpile. 3. This should be a cool, dry, and dark place where the items can be stored safely without the risk of damage or spoilage. 3. Ideally, the storage location should also be easily accessible. 4. Purchase the items. Once you have identified the items you want to stockpile, and determine the amount you need, you can begin purchasing the items. 4. Look for sales and discounts to save money and buy in bulk to get the best deals. 5. Store the items properly. When storing your items, make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for storage. 5. For example, some items may need to be kept in airtight containers or refrigerated to prolong their shelf life. 5. It's also a good idea to label each item with the date of purchase, so you can keep track of their expiration dates. 6. Rotate your stockpile. To ensure that your stockpile remains fresh and usable, you should rotate your stockpile regularly. 6. This means using the oldest items first and replacing them with new items. 6. Set a reminder to check your stockpile every few months to make sure everything is still in good condition. 7. Be prepared to use your stockpile. Finally, remember that your stockpile is there to help you during emergencies or crises. 7. Be prepared to use it when needed, but also be mindful of how much you are using and make sure to replenish your stockpile as needed. By following these steps, you can create a stockpile that will help you and your family be better prepared for emergencies or unexpected situations. 7. Sortly tutorial. 1. Sortly is an inventory management software that allows you to track your inventory across multiple locations. Thanks for watching.
In conclusion, free inventory software can be a great option for small businesses or individuals who need to keep track of their inventory without investing in expensive software. Free inventory software typically provides basic features such as tracking stock levels, managing sales and purchases, generating reports, and organizing inventory data. However, it is important to note that free inventory software may have limitations in terms of functionality and support, compared to paid inventory software. Additionally, some free inventory software may include ads or require users to upgrade to a paid version for certain features. When selecting free inventory software, it is important to carefully evaluate the features, user interface, and customer support to ensure it meets the needs of the business or individual. Additionally, it is important to consider the scalability of the software as the business grows and the potential need for more advanced features. Overall, free inventory software can be a valuable tool for businesses or individuals looking to manage their inventory effectively while minimizing costs.